In forests, jungles, and grasslands across the globe, an extraordinary creature silently slithers through the undergrowth, the python. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. With its impressive size, unique hunting techniques, and intriguing behaviors, the python captivates the imagination of all who encounter it. Pythons are among the largest snakes on Earth, with some species reaching lengths of over 20 feet. These cool snakes are really good at hunting. They sneak up on their prey and wrap around them tightly. When they're hungry, they can swallow their meals whole. When baby snakes hatch from their eggs, they have to learn how to find food and stay safe. As they get bigger, they shed their old skin to make room for their growing bodies. Pythons play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems as apex predators. By regulating the populations of other animals, they help preserve the delicate balance of their habitats. Despite their imposing appearance, pythons are generally timid and prefer to avoid human interaction whenever possible. Throughout history, pythons have been revered and feared by different cultures around the world. In some societies, they are symbols of strength and wisdom, while in others, they are associated with myths and legends. Pythons have left an indelible mark on human culture and continue to inspire awe and fascination to this day. In the end, we appreciate pythons a lot. They're big, good at hunting, and important in different cultures. Let's keep learning about and protecting them.